Hey everyone, my name is Josh Kroenke. Yeah, just like the owner of the Denver Nuggets. But I'm not into basketball or management, and I'm definitely not a billionaire. What I do know is cars, and that's exactly what I talk about on this channel. Alright, enough with the intro. Let's get into today's topic.
Updated, May 26, 2024, 21:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Posted, May 2, 2023, 19:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Scene 1, you get in the car, put the key in, turn it and click. Just click. The car won't start. Scene 2, you get in the car, press the ignition button, click. Just click. The car does not start. Whichever scene you see yourself in, it is most likely an ignition-related problem. There may be a single click or there may be several, but what follows is the same. You have a good chance of having to replace the starter motor. Why the car clicks and does not start, possible causes. How to replace the starter. Step 1, open the hood and disconnect the battery terminals. Step 2, locate the engine starter motor. Step 3, remove the necessary parts to access the starter motor. Step 4, disconnect any connections going to the starter motor. Step 5, remove the starter motor. Step 6, replace the old starter with the new unit. Step 7, reconnect any connections. Step 8, get out of the vehicle, reconnect the battery terminals and start the vehicle. Before going for a replacement, check the condition of the battery terminal connections. If that is okay and you still hear a click when you try to start the car, it means that the starter solenoid or relay contacts are working. But the ignition motor is not starting the engine. The solenoid is key because it acts as a switch to allow electrical current to the engine. Step 2, locate the engine starter motor. It is usually located at the rear of the engine or on the side, if it is transverse, attached to the transmission bell housing. Step 8, get out of the vehicle, reconnect the battery terminals and start the vehicle. In conclusion, if your car clicks but doesn't start, it could be due to several potential issues, including a weak battery, faulty starter motor, or poor electrical connections. By systematically checking these components, you can often identify the root cause of the problem. Remember, regular maintenance can help prevent these issues from arising in the first place. If you're unsure or unable to diagnose the problem yourself, it's always best to consult a professional mechanic. Thank you for watching, and safe driving.